Alright, well, in our long running series of how does Paul plug the hole in the bottom of his trunk, this is the nearing the final episode part. Those welds look absolutely horrendous. I'm going to be grinding them down so they won't look so bad. And don't forget, all of this is covered in Herculiner. The damage here is worse than I thought it was, but not as bad as my yellow car. Not going to complain. This helps explain why my yellow car rotted there. It rotted from the bottom and not from above like I thought it did. So I'm familiar with patching this kind of rust. It's not real bad underneath, amazingly, but it's bad there. I'm going to cut that out and just use some of the metal I've tore out of here to cover that up. Did something very similar over here. This means I'm going to have to punch another hole. And over here, where the wiring for the charcoal canister was, I'm going to basically close that hole up as well. Although I might want to keep it just to vent the battery. The battery's going to sit here. So we'll see. I've got rubber grommets. I might adapt one of them to it. But you can kind of see the trunk is almost done, which is huge. Once the trunk underside has been painted and we're all prepped here, I can reinstall our fuel tank and pressurize the fuel system. To do that, I'm going to need to cut some PTFE line and make some end fittings for here to go to the two return and send lines underneath the car. That'll bring me out to here. See, those guys are already done. And then I can run to a temporary regulator that I'm going to mount right where that hole in that center of that shock tower is right now. So I'll run line across the engine bay over there because that's roughly where the line for the motor is going to go, which has its own regulator, so it doesn't really need the regulator I'm putting in. So anyways, that'll get me pretty far along, really. Yeah, what the heck. I might even keep that regulator in place and use it to keep the fuel, within what a normal Aussie fuel pump might be putting out, since the engine isn't hopped up just yet.